Hello guys, in the course of this video we'll be treating this simple question in physics from the topic thermal expansion. If you have been in my last class, this will not be a problem for you. You will know what to do here. So the question goes like this: a metal rod of initial length 50 cm at 20 degrees Celsius is heated to 100 degrees Celsius and its length increases to 50.16 cm. What is the linear expansivity of the metal? So solution: we use our given data. Our initial length is 50 cm. Our temperature, we have our first temperature before the metal was heated at 20 degrees Celsius and after the metal was heated at 100 degrees Celsius, and we have the new length that was produced when it was heated to 100 degrees Celsius to be 50.16 centimeter. Now they ask me what is the linear expansivity, and linear expansivity, this is the sign for linear expansivity, and this is the formula for linear expansivity, which is change in length all over length times change in temperature. And now in this question we're only given the initial length, which is L here, and we are not giving the change in length, and we're also not giving change in temperature. So now to look for the change in length, the change in length will be initial length minus new length. So change in length is equals to L, which is the initial length, minus NL, which is the new length, and change in length is equals to L is 50, which is the initial length, minus the new length is 50.16, and change in length is equals to 50 minus 50.16 will give us 0.16. So our change in length is 0.16. Now we also need to know the change in temperature, and the change in temperature will also be heated temperature minus the unheated temperature. That is the second temperature minus the first temperature, which will have change in temperature is equals to O2 minus O1. Change in temperature is equals to 100 minus 20. Change in temperature is equals to 80 degrees Celsius. Here is centimeter. So now we institute our values, which we have here is change in length, and change in length is 0.16 over the length, which is initial length 50, multiplied by change in temperature, which is 80. And when you do that simple mathematics there, we're going to be having 0.16 all over 4,000. So instead of we to start dividing this and getting a long answer, we'll just take it to standard form, and expressing this answer in standard form, we're going to be having 4 times 10 raised to the power of 5 degree Celsius to the power of -1 is the unit of linear expansivity. So thank you. If you want to know how I converted it to standard form, when you divide this you get this answer, and taking it to standard form you move this point 1 2 3 4, you add it here. So now we have 4 times 10. How many zeros do we have? Because we've moved this point, how many to this place? Now I've moved the point to this place, so this point is no longer here, it's now here. So how many zeros do we have before the point? We have 1 2 3 4 5 minus 5, because we're moving to the left hand, side, so we have it to be -5.